Hi everyone, this is Soumya here. Today I'm going to show you how to approve, edit or delete comments on your WordPress or not. See, this is our dashboard. Before explaining about approving, editing or deleting on your WordPress, I'll just inform you that suppose this is your admin dashboard, that you are admin of your website and some of visitor is there who is like visiting your website. Suppose this is your admin dashboard. You are handling this website and I'm a user for your website. Then just what I'm doing, just I'm going to visit your website localhost and no development. Then what I'll do, suppose just I'm going to visit your blog post and I'm going to reading from here. After reading this post, really I like that. Yeah, it is very helpful for me. Obviously, I'll write some comments for your post that yeah, it is very helpful for me or not. Then after doing post comment, then what will happen? It will not appear automatic on your front page, right? Because this is a part of admin person who is handling this website. They can it's totally up to them that whatever you have written in comment section, until unless they are not approving from admin dashboard, it will not appear your front page. It's totally up to them that if they want to edit something, suppose you have written bad comments and if they really don't like, then what they'll do, they can edit in your comment section itself and they can approve, then automatically appear in your front page. Suppose whatever you have written, it is totally bad, it is not good for them, then what they can do, they can trash from dashboard itself. Suppose whatever you have written, they can like they are happy with that, then they can approve from the itself automatically it will appear in your front page with your name. Okay. Sometimes what is happening, whatever you have written comments in your comment section, and sometimes what is happening suppose you are admin of your dashboard for your website. Then what you can do, you can just suppose if you want that no, this is not good for me, like whatever you have written comments for my post, it is not like effective for me, then I can, if you want, it should be as a admin that no, it should be as a spam, then you can spam from your dashboard itself. Then I'm going to show you from practically how you can do it or not. See, this is I'm admin for this website, and suppose you are user, just you want to give some comment on my website, then you will have to do just you can visit my website. My website URL is like localhost, no development. Just I'm visiting your website. I'm trying to read this post. After reading, I'm feeling that this is very effective for me. Then, as a user, what I have to do, just I have to write like hi. Just I'm giving like example that how we can do it or not. I'm writing my name Soumya. My email ID is soumya 1996@gmail.com. See, this is website name. It is like optional. If you have website, you can write it over here. If you don't have website, then you can't. Then it is not like you will have to bother about that. No, I don't have website. What I'm supposed to do or not. But I'm trying to inform you one more thing. That see, here you are able to see asterisk mark. This is for required, like compulsory. Until unless you're not giving name or your email ID, then you can't post your comment because this is required, you will have to give. But instead of that, in website, if you don't have any website name, this is optional because here we are not able to see any mark like asterisk mark, then it is optional. If you have, you can give over here. If you don't have, you will not have to bother about that. Then you can post comment from here itself. See, after giving your comment, you will see comments here. you will see that your name is Swami, it is appearing on the top, but whatever you have given comment, it will not appear because what is showing over here, your comment is awaiting moderation. This is a preview. Your comment will be visible after it has been uploaded. Suppose this is a part of approval until unless your admin is not approving from the dashboard, it will not appear your comment on your front facing comment section. Then suppose I'm admin, I'll visit in my comment section. Then see here I'm getting comment one. Automatic one notification it will appear in our URL page also. Then I go down see obviously red mark is there that we got one notification. Here one Sona girl who has given a comment for my in my comment section. Her email ID it is like soumya1996@gmail.com. She has given hi message. Then I want that at the same time, if we want to that yeah, we can give her reply like thanks. If I want that yeah, this message is good for my website, I can approve and reply. Now, if you want to do edit, like you don't have time, just you want to give like quick edit, then you can edit from here itself. If you have time, that yeah, you can give at least 1 or 2 minutes, then you can click it over here. If you want to edit like in any way like name, email ID, whatever you want to change for your comment, you can change it. As an admin, they can change anything. Okay, suppose you have given your name. I want that no. As an admin, name should be different. I can do it also because I'm admin for this website. You have given this email ID, but I want no this email ID should be not there. I can change my other email ID. I can update it from here itself. Automatic all changes will be done in a front page. Hi message you have given, but I want that no hi message should be not there. One more something like hi. This this post is like yeah. You can write something hi. Okay. Okay. Just this comment, I want that this additional part should be add in a comment section. As an admin, I can update it over here also, like I can edit. I'll update it. Now if you will see my post section, then you will get that yeah, modification, whatever they have done. See everything it is appearing over here. Now name Soumya. Today's date, right now time is like 1:40 p.m. That the time is appearing over here. It is like hi. I have added okay from again that's the reason everything is appearing over here as a comment part. And I'm adding that's the reason whatever I have given it like thanks, the same thing it is appearing in a front page. See, this is the part that how you can edit, approve and delete from your dashboard or not any comment if you want to delete. Okay. Okay, my friend, thank you so much. If it is really helpful for you, please go and like my video. If you don't subscribe till now, please subscribe it. If you have some concern regarding to that, please give a comment in my comment section. Again, I'll make a video regarding all your topic, like whatever you are giving. Like if you have some concern related to website, I'll update it as soon as possible. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.